Hi everyone, welcome back to Tutorial Tuesday. So today's going to be a very simple one and a very fun one. Today we're going to go over how to connect your phone to Bluetooth. So to start off, it's very simple. We're actually going to first go into our media and radio, and then we're going to scroll all the way down to where it says manage mobile devices, connect new device. I like to start off with Bluetooth audio, and then from there we're going to go into our phones. So I'm in my settings, I'm going to press down on Bluetooth, scroll all the way down. And now I'm just gonna wait for BMW 42923 to pop up on my screen. So it's whatever your screen says it is. So I'm gonna press down there. I'm gonna hit pair on my phone, and then I'm gonna hit OK on my iDrive system on the screen. And then it's gonna ask me if I want to upload all my contacts. So I'm gonna hit allow there. And now we just patiently. So now you see here that my phone is officially connected to the system. What I personally like to do from there is I like to go back onto my home screen. I like to go into communications, press down on contacts, and just make sure that all my data is loading up to make sure I have all my contacts within the vehicle. As always, thank you so much for being with us on Tutorial Tuesday. I hope you found this information to be very helpful. As always, if you do have any questions on connecting your phone or any other questions about your vehicle, just please feel free to call the dealership. We're located in Independence. So as always, see you next Tuesday. Thank you so much.